Hi, good morning. I'm Sharda. Today we will be having a conversation with Mr. Sabu John. He is the founder director of FlexiApp Solutions Private Limited. The main flagship product of FlexiApps is EduFlex. Let's go over to Sabu so we can know why EduFlex, what's special about EduFlex, and much more about it. So good morning, Sabu. Welcome. Today we will like to know more about EduFlex. So why EduFlex?
Thank you, Sharada, for having me here today. EduFlex is one of the most comprehensive educational management system. We work very closely with many schools across the world. EduFlex is a product company where we satisfy customers end-to-end needs. For example, start from inquiries, right from the time the parent fills up an inquiry form to the financial accounting stage. The product is matured enough to handle everything.
So is it just schools that you cater to, or is it schools and colleges and any institution that caters to education?
It is not just the schools, it is the full educational spectrum.
Okay.
Right from preschools to schools to colleges to universities.
Okay. And coaching centers?
Definitely, we do coaching centers as well.
Okay. Thank you. So Mr. John, can you give us a little bit more details about the modules that EduFlex gives to the school or the college community?
We have more than 30 modules in the product. For example, if you're a school, the process starts from inquiries. We have a process in which the online inquiries can be integrated into the system. Then admission happens, then student life cycle happens, then all their learning happens in the school, teaching management. It goes on like that actually. You define any module which is there in EduFlex actually. That's how it is.
Thank you for that. Just a question, do you actually customize the modules that you have given to the schools? Because obviously the schools or colleges, every school has their own policies, they will have their own requirements, so would you customize it for them?
Good question. Most of the schools, when they adopt an ERP, 100% of the solution won't fit in there, and no solution can meet any schools or colleges requirements fully. We are the solution partner who can meet their 100% requirement either through customization or through product configuration. If we don't meet their requirements fully, we'll offer them a cashback.
So once a customer has placed an order, how many days does it take to go live, right from implementation to the user?
Thank you. And normally it takes 5 days for us to set up everything. Once we set up everything, we will hand over the environment to the school for an initial test and acceptance. Then it's all again down to the school or college to accept it and get on.
That sounds good. Okay, what if the school or the college has an existing product, or if their data is in some sort of document or something like that? How do you integrate that into your system? How easy is it to integrate it into EduFlex?
We have special tools and techniques developed for integrating all the existing data into the system. Suppose they have an Excel spreadsheet with all this transactional and student information. We take it from there and upload into the system. It is as quick as maybe 5-10 minutes actually to upload the data into the system. It is that easy.
So it just means that anything on the computer, it can be put into your system.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you. All that sounds really great. But tell me, what is a post-purchase support like?
Yes, we have a very dedicated team to support either through site visits or through the digital platforms or even through phones. They are always ready for them, to help anytime, any problems. They can just reach us.
Okay. Would you actually place one of your staff in any educational institution if required?
In the first stages of implementation, we place a staff. Afterwards, it is down to the school to request. If they need a dedicated staff, we are happy to provide that.
Recent times, the need of the hour with the pandemic and all that, does EduFlex actually provide an online learning system for the schools?
Yes, the beginning of the pandemic, it was a big challenge for us to come up something quickly for helping the schools with online learning platforms. We have developed an online learning platforms wherein the school or college can do live streaming, content publishing, assignments, tests, online examinations, whatnot. Everything what they do in a normal classroom can be delivered through that platform.
Something probably all schools will be fearful of: data protection. How secure is data in EduFlex?
The data in EduFlex are stored in private clouds with multi-layer securities and encryptions. So even our staff, we sign up with confidentiality agreements and non-disclosure sign-ups. So we take data security as the most serious thing and do accordingly.
All this sounds lovely. Now, I think what people would like to know is your present clients, about them. Can you tell us a little bit more about your present clients?
Yes, Sharda. We work with smaller clients to bigger clients. We have institutions with 180 branches, 350 branches. Recently, we have signed up with a school from Mysore. They got 350 branches, including medical colleges, engineering colleges, and a lot of institutions actually.
Okay, that sounds absolutely great. Can I ask, what is EduFlex's promise to the education community out there?
EduFlex is one of the best products, so the customers will be very happy to adopt it. It will fulfill all their needs. It will take away all their headaches of day-to-day operations. We also complement them with multiple offers at different times. Everything you can think of will be part of EduFlex, and also most importantly, we work as a family with them. We don't treat our clients as client and vendor relationship. We'll have a relationship like we are the part of their organization, and our staff members work very closely with them so that there is no gap between the company and us.
Thank you, Mr. John. That was a very informative talk. So this was Mr. John, the founder director of FlexiApp Solutions Private Limited. A very informative session about EduFlex. We hope that it has been an informative session for all the educational institutions out there. Thank you.